Could you have a look at these for me, please? Girls, could you work on this top one? Which has the largest value? Half of a third or a third of a half? Boys, could you work on this one for me, please? Which is larger, a quarter of a third or a third of a quarter? Okay?
Okay.
I know.
Which one do you think? I understand.
If
we draw it,
I know.
they're
both the same. They're just in different order.
Okay.
The reason why I think they're both the same is because all you need to do is change the denominator, and then you need to.
That's a third.
Because if the denominator was 12, 3 divided by 12 is 4, so you need to times 1 by 4, which will be 4. So the numerator will be 4. Then you need to do 12 divided by 4.
Do you want to do this? Do you want to do something?
But,
Miss, the denominators are the same. They're just like this one is there, and then this one is first, but they're exactly the same. It doesn't matter, does it? If it's well, H, like in addition, it doesn't matter what order you do it in.
And then,
But
Is that what you're doing here? Are you doing addition when you do a quarter of a third? What are you doing when you do a quarter?
You're comparing, aren't you? Or like
equals.
Can you explain what you're thinking, girls?
Well, we thought it would be best if we drew it, and then we could find out from that. So we did a full circle, then we put it in half, and then we did put that half in 2/3, and we coloured in one of the thirds. And then we did the same with this, but we did it into thirds. We cut one of the thirds in half and shaded that one in, and we figured out that 1/3 of a half is a larger value. No. Has a smaller value than that, than a half of a third.
What did you use to compare the two? So once you coloured in your third of a half and your half of a third, what did you do to compare them?
We just estimated that that was going to be the larger than this one.
So did you kind of look at them and inspect them and have a look and a think? Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you. Boys, what about you? What did you do?
So we just thought they could be the same. They're just put in different order. Because like with addition, it doesn't matter what order you put it in. It's always going to make the same answer. But we don't really know about if you could do that with fractions.
What I put for my explanation is, no matter what, they're pretty much the same denominators, but they've just changed them around. But the answer for addition would always be the same.
Okay, so addition works both ways, whether you're doing a third plus a quarter or a quarter plus a third.
Yeah.
Is that what these calculations are asking you? Are they asking you to do a half plus a third?
No.
What are they asking you to do? What does of mean?
Multiply.
Multiply, okay.
Yes.
I know, but you've got to make the denominators the same, don't you?
No.
It's the same with addition.
Jasmine, say that again.
I think they're equivalent because if you've done the multiplication for the first one, 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and then for the second one, 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 2 is 6. So I think they're equivalent.
Okay, thank you. Does what Jasmine's done support your understanding for your ones? Do you agree with Jasmine? Do you want to disagree?
I agree.
I want to agree with
Jasmine.
Can you explain similar to what Jasmine explained for hers, can you explain that for your
1 times 1 is 1, and then 4 times 3 is 12, but that will be 1/12, and then 1 times 1 is 1, then 3 times 4 is 12, so that will equal 1/12, which is equivalent to 1/4 and 1/3.